Face Xpression and Richard Brown Films. One movie industry. United we strong.
Alright, so big up on yourself, and as always keep on supporting one another because it's necessary for the film industry to grow. Big up on yourself, man.
Yeah, so remember, like, share, comment, and do remember to subscribe. You understand? Yeah, so that's why I think the unity is strength. Alright, so here we go. It's because in our day, I look for fire did kind of destroy my house, you understand? So then up there, fix it up and I want to build it up back, you understand? So what I do, I have some kind of stay. And here, so I go work and come back and blocks and build my thing, you understand? So I have to go blocks, you me, until the place done fix. So. And then when the place finish fix up now, I don't know, we can settle in the right place, you me?
Okay.
Yeah. No problem with that though.
Well, I hope exactly how you say it, that's how you go.
Yeah, I just throw the whole heap of cement and them something there, you understand? I can't even want dust blow up because you're pretty and nice. I even want dust blow up on you, you see me?
Right.
So as soon as I'm done, we can settle in the right way, you understand?
Well, I just hope how you say so you go.
Yeah,
man.
man.
No man smart, you know.
No, man, nothing like that, man. What you talk about, B?
Sure.
So, mama, why am I tell him I can't? Hey, how you really tell? How you tell that man, say?
Why? I skillful. Skillful, that me have to say.
That me I see in a real life, Jaja. Yo, Jano. Yo, me I wonder still, I swear. But mama, in a real life, you sure like dog now got have an idea. So what you wonder if she...
I have no idea, so I'm safe. So you sound like a worry so.
Oh, me? No, I don't really say that thing about watching none of mama. Remember a girl like you, me I put myself in a film show. I dig up the whole world. I tell her that. Because I can't bother with a bunch of drama and the next thing a problem, you know, mama.
Not worry yourself, man.
But enough of that. I'm really business about that, mama. Come on, no, man. Go inside.
When you go inside, where you want to?
Well, I want to show you, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah, come on, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
What about bossy?
Yeah, no, why chat now?
Hey bossy knows me a try link you do and you do. We are part of the crew.
So you hear for them get the things I'm from now?
I that me a try find out cause you know say snake man them to stay one place, they all about the place. That me a try do.
some improvement, man. So we have to spend money for you down there, you know.
Boss, me I work, not if you sleep, me not sleep in the bossy. Me up in one night, What you talk about, man? Put your trust in my bossy, man. No, me not let you done. I go try find some way to be a part of the crew. Yeah, man, that me I try me work on it. Alright. Oh.
Yeah, so I go on yacht. You put on badness in the man.
I tell you, they're not easy in a fire.
So for your boy, them up the line, and them have page back again.
Right now, that one go do right now, go page them back,
But me I tell you, just the badness has to work out. But different from that though. From what day Brownie tell me say boy, she want hot hairstyle, she want hot this and she want hot that. You know what I mean? And you know say, we go up on a mission yesterday, you know. After me from boy go work. Come back home. You know what I mean? Me no say, no clothes, no things them gone. We left and go change gear still, so you go and do what she had to do, but she just go away. That just work for me Xpression, because if you link me on a man to go work, I don't work to them, man. I don't feel like I no work now. So I don't snake him work too. I don't have time to go nowhere right now. But I just feel like my whole meditation, because I need to find Brownie. Girl just cut. You know what I mean? When I tell her, I say, wait. You go board us, rough here now still, but she know the type of girl that they want to live in a house we have tile on the floor, and you know she want to go every party where everything will knock. I tell her, that's my style that. In the future, if we put down some money, we can do them thing then. You understand? So, she cut and gone. So, still more fire now, still she can look at my face and tell her, I say, what I do her wrong. Because all I do, I try to give her good encouragement. You know what I mean? I say now I go a Cosmos school. And girl no want to work.
So me I say fire. A long time I see the Brown in the part doing a long time,
Try hold her for a long while, boy.
Never know so she don't take up in things and cut. How you do her so?
We just tell her a while ago. You didn't tell her a while ago say things she want but we can't afford.
God almighty.
Yeah man.
So like where man in a woman in a loyal nowadays, So they want a big car, AC in the house and anything there.
Yeah man, so I will find the part there still because I'm not going to work today and I go and build back. I'm circle someplace. I'm going to check if I don't have a friend today. I'll circle someplace and see where I go and still. See? But I don't feel the energy for work, you know. I just got to mash up meditation, you see.
Enough money you spend on it.
The money me spend on the girl, man. Yeah.
Different from that, man. So you say I go search and look for you.
Yeah man, I'll find her, man. I don't say I'll find her. There's some text me I send some people and obviously them can locate her. So
right. Jamaica is a small place,
Small place.
Blaze in I.
Yeah, well, it's
Blazing.
man.
I man good.
No, yo, yeah, I'm not good for you. Can't be so Browning pick up all the things the man gone. Yesterday after I go to do work, when I done finish work up I was there, when I go to my yard and check the day now, Brown the day now.
No left there.
Everything for you gone, like clothes wise, you know what I mean? So when I say now, there now I feel like a Jamaican in prime. Now I understand the song so much now when you say Princess gone and she left me a note. So she just gone and I not see we pass she thought. So I go to her mother yard last night, 9 night. I go over her sister, still can't find her, said we. So that's one more into the circle, still an idea to try to figure out we pass she really go youth. Because I tell her, I don't understand, you know. I try to get that girl everything what she wants, you know. We just give her money for do her hair, you know. She just braid her hair. We just give her some money for do her nails and bag of things. We give her money in her pocket, so they say if you want some little things yourself, buy some things yourself, said yeah. And she pick up herself and gone. I call her phone, I get her phone, I go find her. Anyway, she's in the island here, I find her. So I know say I have a plan for work down a Snake today. But I tell you when I feel to work, I can't work today out. And me and bro man there all a reason. Said yes. So I show bro man 100. But you know say, think about it. Bro man could have come every match my work down there.
A good youth.
Yeah man, him can go and work man.
Alright, me take your word for it. I say a good youth.
Yeah man, so yeah, him can go do some work, yeah man. So they can't go and mash up work, man. Maybe I go and hold it off, said, I buy a pound of weed and hold a meditation, yeah, man. Yo, just do the right thing, you know.
Marco, you say a good boy, you know.
Yeah, man.
Good behavior, you man. Look for when I say good behavior.
Oh, Marco.
Wagwan Papai.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You know, I leave my link here for test, I tell you. But just don't look a patch out, you know, don't look a render and patch out. I just don't look a piece, but and that's the main problem, you know. I now go there for a week because I get one big roast and I don't want to lose it. So, I go up to St. Thomas for a while, for 1 week still. So, you know, so I come back down all the wall out there, you know, deal with and then deal with the rest of the party, and they complete and you move in. Yeah, you hold it for baby man and them can live up in it.
Some little quick thing left to do, you know, because the door jam them to do, because you know, the room door them have to put on. Because I don't want nobody running for me, you them, baby mother them, you know. And see all the wall there.
No, man, I deal with the door jam for because simple thing we done today. And
More if you hang on the gate of that, me I tell you, say.
just give me a little time. But now, I just do a little piece them, and then the door part where I talk about, you flash out that and render it. I just want to narrow thing left differently, and then the wall.
Yeah, we have to still, you know. But as me I tell you, me need even the one out there, so, the room out there, so. Yeah, because I see that room there. One of my bonafide brothers to stay in that room that too, you know, because I can't watch my place too, you know. But I make sure everything's safe from the place. So more you deal with the work them. So how long you going to stay at St. Thomas? Who you go to St. Thomas go check?
I just 1 week, boss. No, fast that, man. Just 1 week. They know me work fast still, so 1 week and everything just whop out.
So you like St. Thomas?
Yeah, not really. I'm not sure yet, you know, because I'm not go there yet. So I go out there and find out.
I have a history about St. Thomas, you know. I go to spend 1 week, you know, and I hate the baby mother, you know.
What?
What you mean? When you think me here build this a place for?
I saw you are going, boss. I saw one me like you. I know me not even gone 2 yet.
So what you wait for?
Wait for the right one. It's hard to find them, I know, in a time like this. Hard to find.
They be easy to find, man. You just have to work hard. But hear me I say now. That you time, you know, me suspect him from somewhere, you know. I owe him.
That youth is still a second still. He's a good youth.
No, man. I have good behavior, you man. No, not about badness, man.
Yeah, what you saying? He said, make sure you're not one of them enemies that are out there, you know. You're trusting a God.
Yes, boss.
You're trusting a man.
Well, I'm not trusting a mankind, but I'm trusting a God. Because you know, mankind change like the weather.
You hear me I say? The Bible said, there, trust even your own. I don't trust a youth, you know. But anyway, so you carry me.
I'm good, man. I'm good.
And everything upon you, you know, Papa.
Alright, boss. Second. Come on.
Snake, where money there for Baba Marley? You left you 2 penny them for me, so no money, nothing.
Me tell you this, you come back with the same attitude. How much money me give you? What heap of money me give you, you know? What heap of money me give you? And the one time me look money in a reach you, so you come and deal with me. And you are the only baby mother me have, you know. And you are the only baby mother me have. And I tell you this, man, you want to hold yourself for some money to forward, isn't it? I'm there all the wait for it. I have some money, see someone you pass some money on the yard work.
I no business, but no other else pick me money, or no other else pick me. My 2 penny them, I forget them maintenance.
Humble yourself when you get some money, man.
I better make sure somebody get some money soon as possible too.
Money, 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 money,
Amen.
money, money,
You want bread, you know?
money. want general.
Yeah, man, I think that I have you, you know.
That's everything right.
Yeah, man, everything right, man.
Yeah, man, I hate this, man. That's the real thing, you know.
Yeah, man, I will like that, man.
Fish scale something, you know. So what about the next thing?
Alright, basically what they say, you know. Next week, same time, but just come pick up your other package, same place.
So at the same time,
Yeah, man,
you just
same
want
time.
to know because it's the same as you bring it back right now. Someone want it running.
Yeah, man, and they say, I just meet them right up on the golf course, there, so.
Boy, you know, say, boy, why come out with that boy? I don't know what you're saying still. But you understand say alright, man.
Alright, boss.
You know what to do, you see me? You run everything.
No man, that one is too expensive. You know the supermarket one is some man, that one is cheaper. You know that one, yeah?
One day around the sun?
Yeah man, that one is some man. Watch out, you ever go on, just go and buy it, man. You get to meet them and you suck with them. You want some money. Yeah man, you can just go and buy it. The soup. Yes, sir. Yeah man, hurry up and cook it up. Alright, now cook something to come. Hurry up. Alright. So what's your name, bro? I like
that one here.
I want jump on 6 and roll.
5 or 2, 6, 5. 5.
Snake, I want how from when me not get the money from you?
Woman, they would have come hug me up. They come ask me about money. So we'll get some money, man. Remember, you're 19, baby mother, 20 pounds me have, you're 40 and have to get some money. So we'll get some money, man.
Snake, I never me tell us if we go get 20 baby mother. Junior want things. My mother did want me boy, you know, but me never did that here.
Baby, you hear me? Tell them mother to come out of my business, yeah? You know what I mean, yeah, Snake? I have to come up there and come sting her up, you know. So I say, go on up, man. Later I'm calling you.
Alright.
I'm going to get something. Love you, you hear that?
Alright, love you.
Alright.
So babe, I not like how I not get to meet none of your family them.
As me tell you already, be no worry yourself, man. When the time is right, me I go fix things. Right?
Here.
Yeah, man.
And I like me I complain still, but why? I not like the work hours. The work hours, I like it. I only get to spend time with me in the morning. I don't like it.
At the same thing me I tell you about with the time, you know. You understand? You have to just understand. You understand? My work thing them just different. There's some whole heap of extra work I have a deal with and some overtime, but it's all good. You need to worry, man.
But babes, I have to ask, you know. I have to ask, because if I not ask, I'm not going to walk one. You leave me in the dark.
Yeah, I don't understand. You make it sound as if I hide something from you. Dark, what you talk about that, be? Come on, man.
Anything you say, you want a chance here, you call the shots.
Yeah. Everything alright, don't worry yourself, man, be. Think much, you know?
Alright, babe.
Babe.
Yeah, I soon come now, go to the supermarket there and come back.
The supermarket that?
The one on the right on the corner there, so.
Oh, alright, may I pick up your middle?
Alright, make sure. Now.
Yeah.
Alright.
you pull me for? You ask me what me I do up here. I work, me come work. What you I do up here? You know, say your man down there look for you.
Tapping nice, but what me I do up here? All I do just not call me name. Simple. You know see me.
You call him?
You know see me.
Me? You will never hear me call him out of your mouth. On the road.
Anything I say?
The road. Nah, call him. What me take on there?
Rastaman. Avanza.
Yeah, man, because you want to know. Why, you can't go on, though. Because you tell room and you can't go on. So come in now.
Tell her the view.
What a beautiful view, man.
Yeah, man. Hope you're not too bad, though. You know what I mean? But differently, though. What is about the woman now? Where's the woman there?
You know, so I get a piece and work up here still there, my second year. And kind of feel like hungry. Sometimes I go in the town and buy some food. So I go in the town and I go in the supermarket and I did a try to find. Because you know up here stand still. We can't do cook water and we can't do go restaurant if we don't know it. So I second a pint and I say, yo, see Rasta woman there. And I say, and a Rasta woman that look good. I say, yeah. See her buy groceries, so that means her up here so she live.
Did you see her?
Yeah man, but you know, when she see me, you know, she kind of look shaky. And I say, what makes she so shaky? And come over and say, yo, I tell Fire say you see me, you know. So I say, why she really wants that? That's how I call her, you know.
At one point in time, I feel say, yo, somebody kidnap her, because I not get her phone, I not get nothing at all. And I think they move out. But you think they move, she move some of the stuff there, I pretty say, yo, almost different man she find and different things. But whenever I do look for her like how I feel still, you know. But anyway, I want to see her still because when somebody left you the way they part, you don't get no explanation. You don't like to talk to them and say, what really going on? Because nothing that's going on at some point in time with money flow, you know. But I don't feel say I want to jump ship so fast. So but I like I don't want her back fully, you know. But I want to explanation. I say, Mama, what really going on? You know what I mean? And so what really take place, you know what I mean? So that's the case. But we're up still. And we can say see out those some bag of things and with a what many of them good beach down there. You know, say nigga have 7 miles of white sand and if I see him thing up and in the door. So I go on put your walk up here.
You know, say I cross the freeway and I work still. So anytime we know the pan break, we can check your eye again. So but remember one thing though, if you find her not tell her it's me, tell us that she up here.
I want to take that traveling as a vacation. Because you know what I can tell you now. So my time. Someone live out their life. It's a good thing because some of them are the crosses. But anyway, we're going to link to that. Yo, you must say, it's after work, we'll drink some rum.
Alright.
You hear me say, Jenna?
Now they talk here.
Yeah, man, we'll drink some rum to them, man. Yo, send me up on the road. Say, what's put no weed, man. Want some weed from up here because I don't care no weed from west.
Kush weed.
Yeah, kush.
Alright.
Burn it down.
Done.
Mama. Yeah. Outside I say, you know. Yeah, man.
Popeye. Some people sell breakfast up here, but I not even know. I'm going to breakfast in the morning. I'm about a couple of days now, but you know somebody to come in the morning. Alarm, yeah, you see. Yeah, man, some people come and sell breakfast up in the morning, but miss you, the man miss them. You know what I mean? You know, so that's a good idea. But check on the people them next door, man. Somebody most in the black, you must know the breakfast come and can get a number for them. Yeah, man, yo, may I link up to them in the yard? Because I don't work up how much weed now. You don't know work on my yard, or the one bar if I go have a drink my yard. I know, I'm not see mama yet in my yard. Yo, we have grown the place, my yard. Not even don't left work earn on my yard. Alright. Ah. You know, so I neighbor for next to me, General.
Oh.
You know, so I wake up in the morning.
Yeah.
But in the morning now, hungry, wake up hungry now, I say, boy, I don't say food man come out to me, never see me at one day. So I say, you don't have a number for me, I don't want to get a food now.
No, sir, I don't really have the number for that, no food man, I guess so no. I think one brownie over there saying I can go check out.
No, for some General. Is it? I'm sorry.
Watch out.
Kai Kai.
Yeah, do you so?
Where can you left me, Kai Kai?
We can't go through this again. I'm tired. I'm tired.
Look how far you run, go Kai Kai. You know, so I can't sleep without you, you know, I don't understand how you had over to where you for? Where you leave though? Tell me where you leave.
We can't talk about that, right?
Me I beat you?
Me just leave.
Me ask that question. Me I beat you?
Just leave.
Me I eat you?
This is too much. We can't manage this. I'm fed up and I'm tired.
The tell us that things go on for me no Kai Kai. I'm left out of the boardhouse and build a wall house. You happy now?
Yeah, I'm happy. You see me look happy. You know see?
I want you there. I wish money out there. Yeah, man, yeah? I want you there. Eh?
I have no money.
I wish money out there.
I have no money there.
Watch out.
Come, no bother with this.
Yeah, where them shoes there?
Bother with this now.
So I feel soft, sir. I feel belt this.
Quit now. Quit now.
Gel for a man.
Wait.
So your man you know.
Just wait.
So what can you Kai Kai tell me now?
I can't take the downtown life for uptown life more live now, you understand? You can't take them type of life, the more I go out as you can see. I'm glowing, I need to go out so people can see me.
But you know what? I go down and go on the way I do. Kai Kai, me there, room 5. When I check out of that room there, me I tell you, I check out of my life permanently. You can't deal with me again. Kai Kai, have a look at time, make up your mind.
I'm not go dead. I'm not go dead, so be it. One. Backside, tired of this.
Yeah, dress up. Like boss and you already dress up. Why you do that?
Thing have look neat, boss, you understand? Thing have look neat. When you work, you understand? No shabby thing. Just shabby dressing.
All you dress up. Eh? Look for me, look at me. You have to look like me. You mind them old woman, them man.
She help me. I mean I help. She, I understand, so I tell her, I'm not spending more of my money. But I work half him, save me.
Help! You soon see when you go home, you might not see nothing left. You see, like a rasta, come on.
That happened to me.
What is that one now? Oh, dirty Popeye. Go and hide your face and you call me name to the Ras. No, me know you never see alien without turning in farmer.
Me?
Yes, you.
Me?
Never see alien without turning. Are you?
Oh God, man,
No,
don't do that, man. Don't do that.
But if I see you in the supermarket and I say, Papa, don't call me name and you still go call me name. I don't rate that far. You chat too much, man.
I never call your name. I never say Kai Kai. Me just go to the man and say, woman.
You're infam. I mean, I like ain't something, man.
You go on. You go on. Yes, you go on.
Babes, you know, so I want some money to buy some grocery because the money we you give me before, I did use it buy them there's something that I did buy before for a long time, you know, so I couldn't stay until now it finished.
Yeah.
And you know, things very, very expensive now. So I like if you give me one nice piece of money, so I go supermarket and get some grocery.
I know so fast. I think you've done fast, but nevertheless still.
Remember say you eat nothing now?
Well, food have to consume.
Xpression and know a little bit of money.
No man, I sharp man.
Look around for me, man. I'm a woman. We all look out this so far.
Sure.
How we all look
boy,
on?
I tell you, I can't bother. You know, say you all around with it. You're too jealous and overprotective in a man, man. Sure.
Make sure you say a good money you give me, cause I like no little bit of money.
Mama, in a night, never give good things.
Things expensive, you know, so I love you already, you know. I know you're not giving no bun.
No man, never make sure say you not give me no bun.
I'm not giving no.
Make
You're
sure.
mad, give your bun.
I tell you, I made up on it.
That no in my dictionary, you know, so I love you like
Make
that.
sure you know.
Alright, now I got a supermarket where I care for you.
Let's bring back something nice, man. Something
Alright.
nice. Yeah.
Love you there.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I saw the transfer, you know, tell the boss, Nick, that I got the money. So here's the goods.
Alright, Church, everything right?
Every dime is in it.
Alright, thumbs in.
Okay, no problem.
Stop in there, make a sound. Shoot, take off back. No. That me there. How long am I waiting for you? How long I call him out? You know after a bun we go come out in general. Forward no man. The boy brain I hear in you. You really make me alone and mash crime you out. After me tell you so when me call you up, you're up.
Listen to me now, man. You get it though?
Yeah, me got the packing.
Alright, good. Relax yourself, man.
Yo, bossy.
Yo.
Forward.
What go on?
Yo, bossy, you're big.
I want you.
Yo, bossy, I just get robbed as my quality package. A man just jump out of bush upon me and just bust up the whole of my mouth and sit and sear. I never even expect it.
So you see how them?
Yeah, man, I see how.
Alright, you just clean up yourself and forward back. Never deal with that. Alright. More than my soldier. So one of them over to know about you. Now what? Yeah, no. Glad them not kill us still in the soldier. But hear me answer. Tell me what go on, man.
You see, youth, when I pass, that's how I work.
look like a him. No matter if you're him, I never tell you look like a him.
Bomba. You know, say, remember I walk in and I tell you, say, me don't trust a body. And me ask Papa, I hold a body, and Papa say, I'm good and everything, you know. But anyway, still. But go on, we'll get some rest. No, man, everything good, man.
Alright, boss.
Yeah. I make 2 calls and make sure it's everything good. Yo, Papa. Yo, come give me a link right now down at my house. I know how my thing I go.
Yes, my boss.
So I go on.
No, I said, I don't work business there, I couldn't find if I work here, I can't find it, because I get ready to go to St. Thomas.
Yeah, me I say now, everything good going on, but there's one thing not good enough. That same me could be on it the way Carrie come the other day. You know I say, I joke one and I go worry and take my things to you. Run with my stuff. See you doing where Carrie come here, you know. Papa, here what go on. You see that? You make me know when there, where I sleep, where I eat. You see me when I do everything, or I have to hold the account for it, you know.
So, bossy, as somebody give me a link with him, you know, it's not a youth that me know like that. I may try to help the youth them, and that's what I do. But, bossy, as when I say, remember some say a center was me anymore going, you know. He's supposed to be on way already, you know. But you know what I do. One give a number for boil brain. You can call me and find out because them man they are bad man. So I can give my link with the bossy. You know what I say? No mention my name.
Make sure I write number, you know.
I'm packing because I want to catch him back and I send him from the bus. You know Jamaican people,
If
yes.
you see him, don't say nothing to him, you know.
No man, everything good. Look come on.
Are you me a talk to?
Why you address me like that?
What you mean who me address so? What you mean?
You know me? You're not supposed to come and address me in public. So you don't know who me do. You don't know what me upon me. Who is you?
You little dirty girl. I can't go on like you want to address me and style me in any way. What you mean? If me know you, girl, me here say you're my man there.
Which man you what? What your man name?
What my man name?
Yes, miss.
So, the man we there with never tell any name. My man name Peter. You don't know Peter?
But Peter never tell me say have you. Who is you? You don't know about you. You just come up so no one come address me in a public, but man, lady, know yourself.
And you need to know yourself. Me and Peter they over 5 years.
Wow.
You have to call it 6-year flat.
Wow.
And him not tell us you have a wife.
But Jesus Christ, what a boy wicked. Them must say boy tell me saying single. Can me all a hotel and book me and all these things and tell me about house gun long and all making at the home. And that he tell me. So me never aware of you. You understand?
Peter really tell us you house bun down. Peter take you to hotel, girl.
Yes, girl.
And my husband, let me tell you the truth, he never take me out for dinner yet. He no carry me go nowhere. He ever tell me say he have no money. And he ma carry woman go to hotel. Girl, it's a last straw. If you want make what catch me reach you, that is your bad luck. It's up to you and him. But me know what me I go do.
So what your name, ma'am? What your name, cause you mention what your name?
I Patsy my name. You don't know my name, but me see your picture in my phone a lot of time. That's why I come meet you.
I'm Patsy. My name Kai Kai. And I'm not the type of girl to take people, man. Grow and take people, man. You understand? Me is a girl with ambition. You understand? I want to live certain life. So Peter now convinced me on the phone, say me must come and St. Thomas and book me in a room and all of that. Show me good life and everything.
I can't believe that my husband do them something there. Peter really do that?
Yes, girl.
And me, he sleep with every night, you know?
That boy lie, man. And he tell me, say, oh much, yo, he lie, me could have get me dead right, so. Patsy, sorry about that. I apologize for my behalf. I'm not going to stay no more, no longer and waste no time. I'm going to give you back your man. And I'm going to just go on back to my yard and go back to my man. My original good man.
What you say?
Yeah.
You are going to give me him back? And who tell you say me want him back?
Well, that's up to you. In a really response. In a really business board apart.
Hold on there. You don't know me. You hear about me, you don't know nothing about me. Me no want him back, so you can't stay with him because me no want him.
Well, no, now we don't go on. No, we don't want him. Peter, you're so lie.
Where you come?
Just see your wife up there, and she just deal with me properly.
Wife?
Post me
I
about
don't know where you are.
what then?
No go so. Which
No
wife
go so.
where you talk about,
Your
man?
wife.
I want to tell them something there.
Your wife named Patsy.
Oh, nice.
Come
Come on, we talk about it to me, you know where you are. I'll be a lie, then tell for me, no man.
You can't tell them I know they lie, no. Just lie, man. We don't talk to me, say that. We don't talk to me.
What's Papa there?
No, saying they don't start the work though.
Alright, but you know, one of the worst things happen. No, not the worst thing. One of the best things happen. After I left and down there, go look for my woman. The same bridging, you know, where I take with my woman. I feel woman I can go and nigga now. So I can't tell her one more day because while I'm there running and I play around, I'm gone with him one.
Jaja.
You know what I mean? So I just one for one. So tell Papa it up so he can hold me. I never can from my side.
Alright, then me go.
Yeah, man.
Soon as I link him.
Yo, you see when you see him tell him say, but that nigga dada.
Yeah.
So you not come back and come check the eye.
Yeah.
I that nigga.
Alright, I give him a link.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright, that's all right. Let's see what happens. Be a thief, man, a thief, me. What kind of style that boy do? Sorry, boss, sorry, I'm not thief, me a thief, but it's just a game. Just a game, and you see, you're giving away the game, boss. Me fall. Don't move, you know. Me fall. You see I go on now.
Thing go through, you know.
Thing go through?
Yeah, man, you just get a text, you know.
What you text I say?
Yo, the thing gone through, you know.
What?
Yeah, man.
Like, it's someone on that, you know?
Yeah, but what we have here now?
I'll chat later. Can't talk about it yourself.
True.
So, look how more we chat about that, isn't it? I'm sure it's a man them pray.
Alright,
Isn't it? Alright. Yeah, thief. What this I do here, sir?
Remember say,
this reach us.
Whoa, this reach way up here, sir.
watch out now, relax. Remember say, I write just something in the
No,
pen.
a bit. Yeah, this. Shooter.
There, man.
Stinger. Cool, man. What do you say I go on now?
You say some food we are pre-bossy.
Food.
Mm-hmm.
Simple match, man. Go deal with it now.
Free, man.
Yo, I link Tamika for around a ZML pharmacy and go on now, man. Because you know, normal, you know. Yo.
Right. Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Wild brain. Say me get a piece of food though. So can use it and make everybody get a shoes and couple grades to sell and something there, you see me?
So you say we get some cushion and run it out?
Yeah man, and run it out. Anything you make? We just
You
keep
still
it,
get
you
a
see me?
clocks then?
Yeah, so what man? Yeah man.
Alright, that's how.
So you say you like the idea?
Yeah, man, the idea right, man.
The idea good.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright, I'm glad you like the idea, you see me?
Yo, oh my money I got.
Which money? I don't know about that money.
So yo, you can't talk. He's a dummy. Elephant, right now. You see them money? My links them, you know. Elephant, right now. Mash him up. So you ready for talk and how my thing I go?
I don't know nothing about it. I want girl yard me there come from. I don't know nothing. I don't know how your money go, my boss. I don't know nothing about your money. Probably my boss. Probably my boss do it.
So your boss take me things. Yo, give me a boss number.
3, 6, 9, 4, 2, 52.
Speaker again, I don't know how you know.
Yo.
Yo.
How much money I go?
How old is?
I'm a snake.
Snake? Oh, I know how you know. Yeah, man, I know how. So why you say snake?
Yo, I know so how you take me things in a jail and all the man know my shipment going.
I don't know what you talk about.
I mean I want back my things in a jail. Alright. Chat to the man.
Bossy, just run back your money, them won't kill me, bossy. They won't kill me. Bossy, give back your money now.
Yo.
Yo.
You see if me not get my money by 4 o'clock. I wonder your friend hears me at the car. You hear that? You need me things. You hear that?
Yo, you hear what I say? You hear what I say? Yo, I send you and red man go down there, you see me? Capture one of them warrior and forward. You see me? You see me?
Bossy.
Yeah man, if you can't get one of them warrior, get somebody who important to them. You hear me say?
Yeah, General.
You hear me say?
You say I deal with
No, you easy yourself. You have to stay with me. You hear me say?
What way I
You hear
drive,
me say?
I do right, man.
Drive the Vaxi and go on. Black Vaxi, not the white one. Remember, one of them warrior. Remember brown man.
Look at me here. You know me did there.
And nigga really no man. Nigga long your people don't can do them things. I say, yeah man son.
And look at my face. She do my face too. Let me see.
Oh, she put on makeup too?
Yeah.
About 7 o'clock we go have dinner, and then after dinner we go on the beach and go to one mega show there. None of them.
Something there roots bamboo tonight to me see it on the net.
Alright, so
you want to go roots bamboo?
You can't buy one of them man. I'm more than one of them.
But big things there Alfred you know. But which one you want to go?
Any one of them.
Roots bamboo. Babes, I know, so I put on weight from me come down here though.
You see it, man?
God know, me can feel it. Can feel it, man, and my clothes them I get tight. But I don't understand how Browning left you though, so you not take care of her.
Just take care of her, man. I just say, oh, she doesn't know like board house. She want
to board house.
Some people don't understand, but at the end of the day, they'll try putting some work still. But we'll get back to some work and we'll go to a different place still. We have plans to build a wall house, you know. But we have to board pan it too. You know what I mean?
I don't see nothing wrong with this. Not a thing wrong with it. Right now, some people wouldn't mind they have board to live in. Some people don't live nowhere.
You're such a good woman. I know I don't understand how fear man a cheat pan and left you. You know what I mean? And make you have to bash up a relationship. Come and see a TikTok, you can cook, you can clean, you can every little thing full of vibes. So why problem with the him though?
Why? In a one way, I'm glad saying gone. But in a one way, let me tell you something about him. You see him now? I take him out very young from school. At school, I take him out, you know. So he's younger than me. And I teach him a lot of things. Whole heap of things I teach you there. But I think too, when you reach a age now, we more mature and understand life. You understand me? But that's why I go still. There's more time when the big woman them take up the young youth them. Things do happen, so you have to understand.
Alright, so I feel him losing still, you know what I mean? So
and a little bit of things I do for him, you know. He's very ungrateful. If me even sorry saying gone, I'm glad saying gone. In a one way. In good at one place, man. But you're a girl to know good man, you know, cause I'm glad you meet you.
you know. Hello, miss. Where you now? Talk up.
I don't really know why I leave you alone, but...
No, a good time for this now, but let me talk first. Because me can't do back again now. Kai, you get a chance, Kai.
That man, they come like I just trick him, baby, just to lie.
Kai, let me talk. Because when you have me, I mean, I go to work, but sleep with myself and just have money, have food and everything. You still remember about the house, board house this. And I just start from. So me now this board house. Let me get a wall house and build a wall house. But still now this board house. It will then survive now. So you take our things them and you move gone, Kai. So now that you choose to run away and go up, you stay the man way up there with. I realize that the same man we run with a female woman. I come up at St. Thomas go and get. So right now, me and a female woman down here, and she the right side of me now, but a big woman, she now go jump on the phone and cuss you like how you are going.
Well, I don't really care, just know why I'm coming up.
You don't know position, no farmer position, for if you have demands me and say you want me back and you must. No, that's not in our play. She's a big woman, but this a big woman I ever know she warrior. She love fight. So you better behave yourself. You know what I mean? Don't come back down here, delete the number here.
Since when you get so hard
if you know what good for you, delete the number here, because this big woman I have here, she's a mad woman, she'll kill you big. You hear me? Kai, delete my number and stop beg me because it's over, because you don't get a chance and you make a choice. So that the man that take you from me or you, when I was showing way them take. But me take few woman down here now and few woman that good sense of a woman. So it won't no match, because it won't no I same thing. So live your life and delete my number. Alright? Sorry about that, yeah, babe?
That good man. But I lucky thing she run me gonna leave you, else me wouldn't find you. Some woman don't know good man, you know. Me glad me find you.
And my last good man live for
I realize.
So.
But she never know that.
See that my father? You see it, wild bird, still alive, you see it? See it. So of course go circle back. All I have to do, I just take somebody for them, brother. You hear?
Yeah, me man. Grab somebody back, man. Half it, no joke.
Can't go back up empty and dead, you know.
True.
So if you don't get back boy brain,
Yeah.
just grab somebody for them, brother.
Anybody for them.
And just, yeah, anybody for them.
She's right.
Alright. I just talk up little bit and watch them. Anybody come out to just grab them and take out yourself here.
Right now.
Yeah. Shorty. Debs.
Snake, what you say now? I'm tired of the grown come round. From when Junior fi get feeding and pampers, all know nothing.
Babes, I know. Just run me down for money, sir. And the money man hijack my shipment one day, you know. I know. Just want to get back that. Because you know, I love me youth them. And I love the whole of my baby mother them. But I have a little thing when I go give still. And I just take care of yourself and take care of youth them. Because I have to get back my things, you know. Because some of hustling for me youth them, every one of me youth them feel good. And all of my baby mother them feel good.
Alright, Snake, it's always something with you. Anyways, give me what you give me.
You know yourself, babe, man. I tell you something about a little thing for you, you know? Hold on for me, sir. Just take care of yourself and take care of the youth.
This really?
Babe, I tell you something, so get some money because man, them hijack my thing, man.
Alright then, you get where this time. But trust me, you not get where again.
Babe, you know, I love you, though.
Chop lad.
I pray now.
Oh, go on.
There, you know.
We can get the best video on us for buy.
You know, so right down there, so.
Differently from that, though. I would have nice shot it on me see I come.
You know, so Snake baby mother, brother.
And as long as a countryman and I left out that place, don't me get a girl, you see it?
Oh,
like I one day, you know.
Steve, your life, you just leave without him. God, no.
Alright, me take it for you then, you know. You hear that?
Yeah, man, I say a word, mad move.
I bet you saw the boy dog got whole night me not sleep, you know. Capture my woman. See if I ever make her one I 4 years, me buy a Japan never. Yeah, lost out her head. Him dead. And think a joke thing. All I wear them for a nigga so rich, you know. Them I see what go on. You see the one in the dog got. I'm a little puss me again. Them I see where it go. Them hurt my shorty. You better make sure you hurt my shorty, you know, Jay. Better do it before the sun. You saw you. You not start fret yet. Yo. You see your friend when you and dog got boy my done. Him is no done. Eh? Touch my shorty. How him fi do that? Yo. You say you're lucky, you know. So I just all piece of your ears, man, take, you know. You see, next time, man, hold one of your friend them. Yo.
Yo, me there, come out on the road.
Yo, me there a long time I wait for you, you know. Yo, where shorty there?
So no go up there, no watch the boy them, you hear me say? Them boy no, yeah, it's on the boy them. Oh.
Yo, boss, come and rise up the gun, them now, boy, kick me.
Relax, man. I 1-for-1, man. You good though? I 1-for-1, man. I 1-4, is it?
Come in, man.
Come in, boss, I'm moving on.
Put him knife on.
Go around this one.
Come on, hold it.
Come in, man.
Check her head.
Go up here, put her in the floor.
This movie that you have just watched, this is a collaborative effort between Richard Brown Films, Jamaican Entertainment, and Face Xpression. We went all the way over in St. Thomas to film part of this movie, and the other section of it is filmed in Negril. So big up to Face Xpression. So head over to their channel, show them some love, show them some support. The movie will be placed on both platforms for you guys to watch. All right, so big up to everybody that is continuing to support what we do in terms of watching, share the content, them subscribing, the persons them who take the time out to call me and say, yo, we love one another for Jamaica. It makes us feel like what we are doing worthwhile.
Yeah, see general them up on St. Thomas, and them lock
Shot
St.
boat,
Thomas.
man. No joke, man. You don't know? Say a new project as I hear him tell himself, you understand? So look out for that something. Nothing normal about it. You see me? Yeah.
Yeah, man, 1-for-1. So it's a movie from this end to the next end.
East to the west.
Yeah, Moran Pine
West to the
to West
east.
End. You know what I mean? So if you know the map, you can check it out. You know, Negril to St. Thomas. So it's a new movie with us though. And you depend on the two channel them. Face Xpression and Richard Brown Films. One movie industry. United we strong. Burn it down to the ground. Face Xpression.
Yeah, man, one people them go support the thing. I don't know the thing go. Two channel them. Shot about.
Yeah, so remember, you know, like, share, comment, and do remember to subscribe. You understand? Yeah, so that's the thing, the unity, strength. You understand? Face Xpression, Richard Brown Flame. That's the thing, you understand?
Alright, so big up on yourself, and as always, keep on supporting one another because it's necessary for the film industry to grow. Big up on yourself, man.
Burn it down. Burn
Yeah,
it
what
down.
go on? No Jamaican YouTube and reach 1 million subscribers yet. Make we make it the first, you see me? Xpressions and Richard Brown Films, 1 million subs.